welcome you all to the 304th day of the Swasthya 365 Days project. Today we are going to talk about Remdesivir. What is Remdesivir? Remdesivir is an antiviral medicine used to treat coronavirus disease COVID-19 infection caused by SARS-CoV-2 virus in the hospitalized adults and children 12 years of age and older who are weighed at least 88 pounds 40 kg. Remdesivir is in a class of medications called as antivirals. It works by stopping the virus from spreading in the body. How should this medicine be used? Remdesivir comes in a solution, liquid, and as a powder to be mixed with the liquid and infused, injected slowly to a vein over 30 to 120 minutes by a doctor or nurse in a hospital. It is usually given once and daily for 5 to 10 days. The length of your treatment depends upon how well your body responds to the medication. Remdesivir injection may cause serious reaction during and after the infusion of the medication. A doctor or nurse will monitor you carefully while receiving this medication. Tell your doctor or nurse immediately if you experience any of the following symptoms during or after the infusion. Those include chills or shivering, nausea, vomiting, sweating, dizziness upon standing up, rashes, wheezing or shortness of breath, abnormally fast or slow heartbeat, swelling of your face, throat, tongue, lips or eyes. The doctor may need to slow down your infusion or stop your treatment if you experience these side effects. Ask your pharmacist or doctor for a copy of the manufacturer's information for the patient. Other uses of this medicine. The FDA has approved an emergency use authorization EUA to allow children weighing 8 pounds 3.5 kg to less than 88 pounds 40 kg or children less than 12 years of age weighing at least 3.5 kg who are hospitalized with severe COVID-19 to receive Remdesivir. This medication may be prescribed for other uses. The doctor or pharmacist for more information. What special precautions should I follow before receiving the Remdesivir medicine? Tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to Remdesivir or any other medications or any form of ingredients in Remdesivir injection. Tell your doctor and the pharmacist what are the prescription or non-prescription medications, vitamins, nutritional supplements and the herbal products you are taking to plan to take. Be sure mention your following: chloroquine or hydroxychloroquine. Your doctor may need to change the doses if your medications or monitor you carefully for the side effects. Tell your doctor that you have any liver or kidney disease. Tell your doctor if you are pregnant, plan to become pregnant or breastfeeding. What special dietary restrictions are there? Unless your doctor tells, you should continue your normal diet. Thank you.